people like ask me, they say, Doug.
What is it about that, what do you call it?
SlimClip Case.
Yes. You know, I don't understand what the big deal is.
You see, what was wrong with just holding your phone with your hands, you know, like a man? I mean, I don't exercise or nothing, but look, if I did, you know, run for no particular reason or whatever, you know, I think I'd be man enough to hold my phone in my hand. Well, wait, I mean, like, every girl in the Valley has, like, an armband. Duh. Like, sister, hold the phone, okay? Like, I can't even think how it's even remotely possible to even, like, just contort your brainwaves to think that there's anything even remotely possible better at holding your phone than, like, an armband. Like, really? Whatever, I'm over this. Well, guess it just ain't so easy.
The flip belt is nice, no?
No, that's actually not nice. You wanna know what's nice? It's nice having my mobile phone solution already with me. It's also nice having a solution that's so comfortable, I can't even tell it's there. It's also nice that it looks cool. It doesn't make me look like
What?